If you've been dealing with stomach issues that just won't go away, bloating, burning, nausea, constant discomfort, you might be treating the symptoms, but not the real cause. One very common cause, H. pylori, and a lot of people don't even know they have it. Let's break down the most common symptoms. Burning or stomach pain. One of the biggest signs is a burning pain in your upper stomach. It may feel worse when your stomach is empty. Sometimes it improves after eating. That happens because the bacteria weakens your stomach lining, so acid irritates it more easily. Bloating and gas. Another common symptom is constant bloating. You eat a small meal and you feel heavy. H. pylori can interfere with digestion, causing food to sit longer and ferment. That leads to gas. Acid reflux. Some people develop frequent acid reflux, not always because they have too much acid, but because the infection causes inflammation and pressure changes in the stomach. That pressure can push acid upward. Nausea. Feeling nauseous for no clear reason. Chronic stomach inflammation can trigger that uneasy feeling. Some people even lose their appetite. Frequent burping. If you're burping constantly, especially along with bloating or discomfort, that can also be a sign your digestion isn't working properly. More serious signs. Now, in more serious cases, H. pylori can cause ulcers. Warning signs include black stools, vomiting blood, severe sharp pain. If that ever happens, seek medical care immediately. The tricky part about H. pylori is that the symptoms look like normal stomach problems, so people ignore them for months, even years. If your symptoms keep coming back, it's worth getting tested properly. And if you want help with diet support, I've created a free H. pylori food checklist. You can grab it from the link in my description. Take care of your gut. It affects everything.